Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about bandwidth management. We can manage our bandwidth using queue. Let's see how to configure queue. So before going to the configure queue, let's see how much bandwidth I am getting in this laptop. So if we go to some site like that fast.com or speedtest.com, you can see how much bandwidth you are getting, right? Now my laptop actually receiving 17 MB, right? So if you want to configure this laptop will get only 1 Mbps, then how to configure it? So first of all, you should know this laptop's IP address, right? So if we go to the laptop's adapter setting, status, details, this laptop IP address actually 192.168.100.254, right? So if you want to manage bandwidth of this laptop, then first of all you should go to the MikroTik router. Then you can manage bandwidth using queue. So just go to the queue, then just go to the plus, then you can give the client name. Just I am going to the name the laptop, and the IP address is 192.168.100.254. so we are planning we will give to 1 MB. So just you can go to the here, then you can get a category from just 1 MB upload and 1 MB download, then just click apply. Okay, then if you go to the browser again, then you can see actually it's getting now only 1 MB. Now you can see the laptop only getting 1 MB. We configure it using queue, right? So thank you for watching.